try. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Hello, what's up, Days friends? Daisy here, and welcome back to another travel vlog. Hey guys, we're off to Virgin Island here in Santa Fe, Bantayan Island. I think it's my 4th or 5th time here, but this time I'm with my family and my family's friends. Kaya na sila dito guys sa likod. And also with my boyfriend.
Hello guys.
It's your first time here, right?
It's my first time here in Virgin Island.
Yes, so daraang Virgin Island guys. Dito guys, kato siya na island. We're here sa Silion, dili mi manukad. Yeah, magsakay pa mi og pampot, mga 20 minutes going there. So yes, follow us in this follow us in this adventure.
Join us.
Sige go. Join us in this adventure. Join us in this adventure and let's go.
Let's go guys. Let's go to Virgin Island.
Ano ba? Lina. Iskabeche. Tayo.
Pom A!
Mami, ano kayo?
Calamaris.
Wow, imaging.
Wow, kaysa kitang di ko pwede mag
Ate.
spaghetti.
Wow. Ano tayo mo guys? Ha? Yaloy. Wow, salamat. Ano sa man eh? Wasay-wasay.
Secret.
Kan hindi ka makatanan sa ni. Mo ni pinaka-importante. Kanon. Kanon. Kuya Kyle, dawa tayo sa.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Alright, these friends made it here in Virgin Island.
With her family and friends.
With the squad, the same squad. Okay. So there are guys ang mga food guys. Hindi na mawag pa ng mga guys to. Nanampiling naman na.
I remember when I saw you standing there. I remember thinking that boy is just for me.
Happy birthday! Happy boy!
Dapat pas. Hoy! Dito ba kasi kayo natin tayo nagkantan? Guys, louder! Louder guys!
Oh no! Kagbungon guys, ako guys.
Saan naman na?
50-50.
Sige go, mangita tawag ko.
Inom ka na, nakita ang tikaw.
Kami na lang tabi video. Here. Hey guys, so here's our food. Nakoy calamares, spaghetti, pancit, and lechon, and scallop.
Ako bud guys, napo ko spaghetti pareho kami guys.
Then nada dito pag-uban guys, pero mo lang sa akong ikaw. So let's eat guys.
Malamig ko ang kasama, malamig glass ang pagkaon.
Yep.
Ganyan. Mga jet namin.
So guys, if you want to come to Virgin Island, the entrance fee here is 500 pesos for your first 2 person. And then succeeding guys kay 200 pesos per person. Sorry, nag-showering ko. Tapos ang kids kay 100 pesos.
Tapos ang table,
kay na sila
300 pesos.
tag 300 pesos per table. Napot sila yung mga cottage na tag 1.5. Kaya mong ikuha kay duha ka cottage. And then naka-discount tayo mi o 20%, no? So thank you so much Virgin Island for giving us
A
discount for me and my family. Meron dyan yung mga connection.
Palakasan lang guys. Sana ginang Pilipinas guys. Palakasan.
Whenever you need it, you know where I am. As long as you love me, I'm tied to my hands. They'll never believe me, but baby, it feels
Karil, the future vlogger of Bunakan.
Mo na siya katong sa vlog ni Daisy ka sa Sandira.
Sandira, oh.
Am I beautiful?
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see
Bali
it
lang babe,
now.
direct pressure ba? Para di madugo.
Pack our bags and get in.
Hey days friends! So, manami og kaon guys, and karon kay nagkuan-kuan mi, naglibot-libot mi diri sa Virgin Island. Mod to mi sa cliff jumping nila diri. If you want to do cliff jumping, nasa sila, it's open from 6 AM to 5:30 PM. And guys, look at this guys. Oh, grabe gid mga tao, no, mga vandal. Gina ka picturean diri, baby. Sige, picturean ti ka diri. Nice kayo, baby. Grabe ka init, guys. Whew. So kailangan mag-apply jud mo sunscreen. Okay, close lagi ni no. Uy. La. Ano guys? May mga naninguha diri.
Hello? Hello po.
Char.
Hello po.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just...
Hey guys. So just done pang journey.
Grabe ka init guys.
Successful Raldo. Ipadagandagan ko na ya guys. Nabala tayo nag-record. Atay, kapay kayo.
Times.
Woo!
Sabi na huwag nag-record
It's already 3:30 PM guys, and I think it's the best time. No. The best time good, pero init jud gapon kaayo, pero maligo na lang mi. Still have 30 minutes to swim or 1 hour to enjoy the sea, the water, the ocean.
Be sure eh.
So yeah guys, maligo sa kami guys. See you later. I will switch to our GoPro. Dahil ka na magkuhan ko alam mi ka na
Snorkel lang.
See you later.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Yes guys, we're going back to the cottage right now. Natapos lang namin mag-snorkel ng mga 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes lang yun.
That was 1 hour.
1 hour pala.
Grabe guys.
Parang bilis lang no? Bilis lang ang oras kapag nandito, kapag nagre-relax ka. Kasi kung nagtatrabaho tayo, di ba, sobrang tagal ng oras, sobrang bagal. Pero kapag nag-enjoy tayo ng ganito, ang bilis ng oras. Parang 20 minutes lang yung 1 hour. 1 hour pala yun, Dave.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Tingnan nyo, may pa-pictorial. Asa man to si Kuan? Uy, ka-sexy! Guys, grabe! Wow!
A morning framed by golden sunlight. A morning, close friends travel together.
washing up guys and busy guys sila guys. Oh, namuto sila mga bring house. Ano yung mga bring house? Hating mga kapatid na ina na sila guys.
Kada mo sa namoto sa bring house.
Oh.
Ginansya.
Oh, grabe oh, bakbak oh.
Ano? Pagbalik, may baon na sila.
May final picture anay.
Oy, ana pag dito magbalukad ka.
Dito kita mag-final kay para sa liquidation.
Liquidation. May liquidation pa kayan? Hello, Doggy. Naligo ka? Nari? Yanong nari magkita nag-ingon na nari.
Nari ka nang ikuan sa big sushi. Nari.
So guys, la, nikalit ko gaputi oh, nakaligo. Wow! Tanawa.
Guys, lahi ang
Wow.
kuan dire sa Virgin Island guys kay
Nakaputi.
may chlorine.
Ilang dagat na chlorine, no? So guys, I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. And how about your channel, B?
Paulit-ulit na yung channel ko guys, Jude
That's
Rico.
I am Judrico
nakapag-subscribe
for
na rin kayo.
Instagram and Twitter. And so that's all guys. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, these friends.
Let it carry